Hey guys, what's going on? It's the night before Daytona Truck Meet starts, and the weather out is crappy. Now you guys can see, but it's been raining all afternoon, so what sucks is I haven't got nothing done. So now it's about 9 o'clock at night, and we're gonna try to get some work done on the van. So, got the van ready to go. I did get it washed real quick this afternoon, so hopefully get some wax on it so I can keep it clean for this weekend. Got the wheels cleaned up, so I just got to do some polishing on them. So I got some light scratches and stuff on them, which I'm whatever. That's what happens when you have something nice, is stuff gets scratched. But alright guys, so what I'm working on tonight, I got fog lights for the front thing. I'm trying to make a flag holder for it. And what else I got? Oh, I got some insulation for the back. Trying to insulate those panels tonight, so I can get it cleaned up. So we'll see how it goes. I won't really reveal the fog lights yet. I'll probably do that on another video. But yeah guys, there's all my supplies and stuff. We'll see how it goes, but just want to do a quick walk around of the van before I move it, and let you guys listen to it inside while nobody's in here, so you guys can hear it echo a little bit. Nice thing about having a shop garage, you don't need to lock up your stuff. There you go for not always being able to hear the exhaust. So yeah, I'm gonna get this van moved. Down to this bay where I'm using my buddy's toolbox, because he's the man. The only way I get stuff done on this thing is working at night, because let me just tell you, the last couple days at work have been crazy. I got so many cars in here getting fixed, it's out of control. So tomorrow the goal is I gotta get up early, get into work, try to get as much paperwork and stuff done as I can, and alright, that's gonna have to work for now, and I'll have to move it once I get out the camera. But I'll also do a horn blast. Alright, so I'm gonna shut this thing off because I got the doors shut and I don't have. So yeah, I got that diesel over there trying to get the fuel gauge working. Somebody put an aftermarket bed on it, and I think they crushed the harness. Got this Camaro, hopefully it'll be out tomorrow. But I wanted to show you guys this guy's 02 Pontiac Firebird. It's the NHRA edition. This thing is sweet, dude. It only has like 70,000 miles on it, convertible. It's got the black wheels. Interior's real nice. If you know anybody looking for one of these, he's actually gonna be selling this one. He's just in here getting some minor stuff done. But check that thing out, man. It's in great shape. So, it's been at the turkey rod run. 2014 to 15. Paint's still in good shape. It needs to get buffed real good. You know, black paint in Florida. It's got some minor blemishes, but overall, this car's in awesome condition. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys this car. Just waiting on a fog light to come in tomorrow, and then that one will be gone. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I know it's real short and sweet, but it's gonna be a long night. Like I said, it's already 9 o'clock, so hoping to get some stuff done. I'm gonna make a flag holder for the back here off my spare tire carrier. I got a couple bolts right here, bolt holes. So I'm gonna try to run a flagpole up off of there. So I'll do another video on that once I get that done. Got my exhaust looking pretty, train horns. Sorry, it's kind of windy over here with these fans on, but yeah, guys, enjoy. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel up there on the van, and I'll put some more links to some videos over here. And once I get some stuff done tonight, maybe I'll do another video. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great night.